Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SHIB update for Monday 4th of July. And right now we do have a little bit of a break for SHIB, and not even a very clear break, but actually just a little bit. Actually it is a break. Alright, it is a break. So you're looking for SHIB to go higher to this technical target right over there, which is going to be 1057. So you're looking for SHIB to basically make that move, and that's going to be like a price rise of nearly 4 to 5% to the upside. And even if this was a trade being taken right now, so that's going to be like a almost 1.33% loss. So yeah, it's quite like a scalping opportunity, isn't it? But it's a good opportunity nonetheless, because what I do see is a break, very clear break. First touch, second touch, resistance here, resistance there, and all we did, made a nice bullish candle that you actually closed above, went for the retest, you're bouncing off the retest, and you can see it's pretty much a confirmation. You're respecting the trend line. This should be a technical target as long as you're not coming down. What I'm going to say is, if you really want to give a trading breathing room, is to put a stop loss at the 953. So if the 953 somehow does get taken here, then that's the end of it. Okay, that's really the end of it. But I highly doubt if you're going to dump for SHIB right now. This is still looking very, very good to go to the upside. It's simple. It's a pattern. Okay, you break the triangle, you go back to where you formed the triangle, and that's going to be your next technical target. And that's it for this quick update. Nothing fancy here. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.